Many parents believe the smartest kids come from the best schools. But experts say true intelligence and emotional strength aren't built in classrooms. They grow in three very simple places right around us. First, take your child to places with people, the social playground. Think parks, zoos, or community centers. Anywhere they can meet others, argue, share, and make up. Some children might seem shy or stubborn, but these are their first lessons in courage, empathy, and communication. When a toy is taken or a rule is broken, that's not chaos, that's learning. Don't rush to fix it for them. Let your child face the situation, think it through, and grow from it. Social skills aren't taught, they're practiced. Second, bring them to places of wins and losses, the field of effort. Have you ever seen a child cry after losing a simple game? It's not because they're weak, but because they've never learned how to lose. Let them play, win, lose, and try again. After every game, ask them 3 simple questions. Did you try your best? How can you do better next time? And when you win, who will you thank? Each small defeat is like a vaccine for life, building a resilience and emotional strength that no classroom test can ever teach. Third, take them to places with mud, sun, and wind, the classroom of nature. Take your child outside, where their hands can touch the soil and their feet can feel the earth. Let them run, climb, fall, and laugh. In the sun and the rain, children learn patience, bravery, and self-reliance. Nature is the most patient teacher of all. Clothes can be washed and shoes can dry, but a childhood without dirt, wind, and discovery can never return. Because every scraped knee hides a quiet victory, and every climb teaches them, I can do hard things. So, if you want your child to grow wise and emotionally strong, don't just give them books and lessons. Give them experiences. The world outside is the greatest classroom of all. Let your child learn not just how to think, but how to live. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps us raise strong, happy kids. See you next time.